Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gazza9919 here, and today we're going to be fitting a Sunstrip to Norman, but as you can see, this weather is horrendous, so obviously we're not going to do it here, so that leads, where are we going to do it? And we are going to head to a mystery location to do this. Now, I'm not exactly sure how this will go because it's gloss black, and preferably I would have liked a sort of matte, sort of black finish, but we'll see how it goes when we get it on the car. Right, so with the weather, we've come to Jake's new unit. We're gonna get this Sunstrip fitted. Right then, so we're fitting the Sunstrip, and Jake has very nicely provided some Maguire's glass cleaner, and we're just gonna clean this up because you don't want to get any dirt under that Sunstrip when you put it on. Yes, look at that. Brilliant. Jake is assisting me on this, as it could be a one-man job, but you are going to struggle tremendously. So if you grab your side and put it away.
This is going to be fun.
I'm honestly scared.
I'm not. I don't think it's going to be as bad as that octopus thing.
Love that anyway.
Just hold it tight.
Grab both ends. No, coming across.
Okay, now I'm nervous.
Whoa,
Oh shit.
Whoa.
Wait.
So, ideally what we're aiming for...
Line your end up. I'll keep it high while you level it up.
If I just stick mine down...
Yeah.
And then I'll come towards you with it.
Yeah.
Actually...
Yeah, you're going to have to stop. You're going to have to put your wipers down. Just because they are very slightly in the way of the view on the camera.
Don't worry about that. They'll be fine. I can see most of the stuff.
Have you got it down?
One sec. Just a sec, just hold it there for me. Bring it up a bit.
Oh fuck, it's stuck.
Don't worry, I've got it. Because it's got a sort of curve round in a way.
And go high.
Because trying to get this and not bubble is one of the
Let's use a credit card, or a card, debit card, whatever. Just somehow get the details on camera. Oh, I'm going to spend money. I just dropped it.
Don't. Please just don't. Because with some of the bubbles, if you've got a knife, I can just...
I've got a butter knife.
Oh, what, a butter knife? I need something a bit sharper like that. I need like a razor blade.
I haven't got one of them.
I wish you could just slap it on.
How much do you pay for this?
About £9.
It's not too bad.
No.
How come you didn't get any writing on it? Like, you know, like Ford something or...
Oh, what, like Ford Bible?
Ford Bible, is that a thing?
Everyone does it. Well, not everyone. Go that way ever so slightly.
Oh shit, it's gone down a bit.
See here, I was started at the top and it's sloping down.
You can't just pull all that off now. That's a great deal to pull off, Gareth. You're gonna end up fucking this up, you know. And it just ripped. Oh god, I would die. Failing to install a Sunstrip. You're gonna end up binning it. It's just gonna be a complete flop.
Try and get that middle dead centre.
Gareth, it's just literally stuck down. You pull it tightly and we'll try and get it as close to the edge as possible. Up again.
Damn it.
Oh!
What, there?
Yeah.
You saying there?
Yeah. Well, I'm overlapping. Are you perfect?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm overlapping by quite a hell of a lot.
At this stage, I don't know how bothered I am.
So do you want me to drop it?
1 minute, just hold up there because I'm going to come around your side in a sec.
Right, I'll hold it there then. But it is overlapping.
You got any scissors?
I have. Catch.
Did you see the expression of shit?
Gareth, I said that you were on the edge and you said yes. You're not on the edge. Look, I was going right up against here.
Fuck's sake.
We're going to have to pull it off again.
Yeah, come on, let's do this.
Fuck's sake. There's going to be nothing left of it. Fuck!
Shit. Well, that was how not to install a Sunstrip.
I'll send you a tenner, Gareth.
No, don't worry about it. How about racing stripes? I'm not going to stick it down.
Fuck's sake, man. I wasn't even pulling hard. I was literally like...
It's cool, man.
Fuck's sake.
Join us next time when we try again. The thing is, though, at least next time we know what we're doing, you know what I mean? And at the end of the day, if I'd have had it up to the corner here would have been
Yeah,
alright.
so it's your fault, basically.
Because I didn't think it would fit.
Yeah, it's your fault.
Oh, this is alright, it can still be used. Fur on your clothes and that, you know. Could be
It would
used as
work,
that.
wouldn't it?
And until the next time, we'll try again.